Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Delp, and in today's video is going to be very short, precise, and no digression. So in today's video, just like the title describes, I'm here to teach you guys something I've learned over the time using the application Camscanner. So you can actually keep soft copies of your hard copies on your mobile phone. So Camscanner, like the name says, it's an application which scans documents using your phone's native camera or the default camera app on your mobile device. And it's very simple. If you have an ID card, you could actually use the Camscanner application to take shots of the ID card, which is the hard copy format. The Camscanner application does its own magic, and then it will proceed to soft copy it for you. Does that English make sense? And then to proceed to put it in a soft copy format, which you can download to your mobile device. Now you can keep it in your storage, or you could upload it to your Drive, your Google Drive account, or your Samsung Cloud account, or even your iCloud account, and it's going to stay there forever. And a video on that has been made already, how to actually upload stuff to your Google Cloud account or any cloud account. The same process is involved. So there's a video, there will be a card here, but don't watch that one yet. Finish watching this one first, and then you can move to watch that one as well. So let's say if you tend to misplace the ID card, then all you need to do is just go back to the cloud, download the soft copy file, visit any photocopying center or any shop, just print the ID card, the soft copy you made out into hard copy, and then you just laminate it. Then you're good to go. Now this is strictly restricted to ID cards like school IDs, work IDs, voters IDs, and then national health insurance. Now you can't use this on Visa cards because of the digital thing on it, that orange thing that you have to slot in the machine. You can't use that. That is not even an ID card. I don't know why I'm stressing myself on it. So yeah, that is basically it for the video. And if you want to scan documents, send documents outside, you have land papers that you think are very important to you and you like to keep to the future, and you are scared that a natural disaster might happen and you might lose them, yeah, you can still use Camscanner for this. All you need to do is just take pictures of the documents, download the soft copy that will be made from Camscanner for you, and then you just upload it to your Google Drive, keep it there permanently, and it stays there, like I always say, till you die. So yeah, that is basically everything you need to know about the app. And this video wasn't sponsored in any way, but thank you guys for watching the video. Stay safe, peace out, and like I said, keep your documents very safe, cause time no day.